Welcome back to your VPS e-learning class beta. As you all know that yesterday I have completed the lesson number 12, Ravi and the Weeping Princess part 1 beta. Today I am going to start with your lesson number 13, that is Ravi and the Weeping Princess part 2 beta. In this chapter Ravi was very excited because he get the envelope of stamps, and his uncle told him that if you sort out it properly you can find the rare one is related to Weeping Princess stamp. So Ravi was very excited. He came back to his room and start finding the stamps, and he arranged the stamps which are ordinary and which are rare one. So according to the countries, he is sorting out the all the stamps properly. Finding After finding many times, he sought out and get the Weeping Princess stamp. So he's very excited and go back to his uncle's house. And then when he came back with his uncle in Austin car, he told his family that he get the rare one, Weeping Princess stamp. His family were also very excited that how he find the rare one. His mother appreciate her. His father is also saying that very good, well done. And Uncle Mike is very happy that he had the rare one, but he don't know. And Ravi get him the rare, that's why he get said that now from today's the stamp box is yours and you kept it. Okay, so go through the chapter is very easy. Lesson 13, Ravi and the Weeping Princess part 2 beta. Lesson 13. Okay, let's start.
As you all know that yesterday I have completed your lesson 12, Ravi and the Weeping Princess part 1 beta. Today I am going to start with your new chapter, Ravi and the Weeping Princess part 2 beta. So let's start. Ran straight up to his room. He was very excited. He opened the metal box and emptied the stamps onto the floor. Ravi ran straight up to his room. He go to his room. He was very excited, very happy. He opened the metal box and emptied the stamps onto the floor. Means he emptied whole the box onto the floor with the album beside him. Ravi began to sort out all the stamps. Now he is very uh, eagerly he is starting to sort out all the stamps. It was raining hard outside. It was raining at that time. Ravi heard the front door bang and jumped up to look out of the window. Means it was raining outside. Ravi heard the front door bang. Means at that time front door is many times it is open and closed by itself, because wind is also blowing, and jumped up to look out of the window. At that time he go to the window to look outside. He saw Uncle Mike running towards his car. He saw that Uncle Mike is going to his car. As Uncle Mike drove away, he looked up and waved at Ravi. Now, Uncle Mike, when he is gone, he looked up and waved at Ravi. Now he came back. Ravi smiled and waved back. Ravi again smiled and waved back. Ravi returned to his stamps. There were all kinds of stamps. Ravi returned to his stamps at that time. There were all kinds of stamps, big ones, small ones, stamps with postmarks and some without. Means some have postmarks, some have not. There were stamps with pictures of pupils' faces and some of birds and animals. At that time, there were stamps with pictures are there of pupil faces, some are of birds and animals. There were stamps from England, Japan, Malaysia, China, and USA, and lots of other countries. There were different stamps from England, Japan, Malaysia, China, USA, and lots from the other countries also. There were some stamps from countries that Ravi had never even heard of, but Ravi was not looking very carefully at the stamps, because all that he could think of was the Weeping Princess. Now he is not seeing that which country's stamp is there, he is searching for the Weeping Princess. When he had sorted the stamps into little piles on the floor, he got some envelopes. After he is sorting the stamps, he finds some envelopes also. On each envelope, he wrote in neat letters the name of a country. And every envelope, he is going to write the name of the country and then put the stamps of that country into it. And then putting the stamps of the same country into it. The ones he did not know, he put in a large brown envelope. On it he wrote Ask Uncle Mike, and which country's name he don't know, he written at that Ask Uncle Mike. At lunch time, Ravi's father asked, in the time of the lunch, Ravi's father asked, how did you get on with your stamps this morning, Ravi? His father is asking that, yeah, how will you feel with this stamps in the morning, Ravi? Did you find any interesting one? Oh, yes, replied Ravi. There are lots of very interesting stamps in the box, but no weeping princess. He replied to his father, yes, many stamps are there, but not of weeping princess. I am going to look at the album after lunch, and I am going to search the album after eating the lunch. There are lots of old envelopes at the back of the album. And there are lots of old envelopes are there at the back of the album. They have stamps on them. You will have to be careful when you take them off the envelopes. Father is saying that you will be careful when you take them off the envelopes, said Ravi's father. Don't pull them off, so it will be tear, but leave them to soak in some water. But leave them for a while in the water, so it will be soaked. Then they will come off easily and won't be damaged. And when you take out, it won't be damaged. Come to the next page. After lunch, Ravi went back to his room. After taking the lunch, he went back to his room. The rain had stopped, but Ravi didn't feel like playing football. But Ravi is not going for playing football. Anyway, the ground would be very wet because the shower had been quite heavy. Anyway, the ground was wet because the shower, which is rain, is pouring. It is very heavy rain. Ravi picked up the album and turned the pages slowly. Now Ravi is picking up the album and slowly turning the pages. Some of the pages were loose because the album was very old. Some of the pages were loose because album was very old. On each page there were about 9 or 10 stamps are there, and some pages had only 2 or 3 stamps on them. Some of the pages had only 2 pages, or some of the have 2 or 3 stamps. Ravi soon found out that this was because they were arranged in sets. Ravi, on each page at the bottom in very neat writing, there was something written about the stamps, and at the bottom of the every page there were written something at the stamps below. Ravi looked at the stamps in the album and wondered how long Uncle Mike had taken to collect so many stamps. Now he is amazing that how many time he can collecting all the stamps. When he had finished looking at the album, he took out the envelopes that were at the back. Now when he had finished looking at the album, he took out the envelope that were at the back. Now at the back side also some envelopes are there. Most of the envelopes were old and faded. The addresses written in ink were very pale, and Ravi could only just read what they said. He is going through the stamps. He could see that the envelopes were addressed to Master Michael Davidson. He saw that the envelopes are written to Master Michael Davidson. Ravi wondered who that was. Ravi was wondered that who was that. Many of the envelopes had Canadian stamps on them. Ravi tried to read the postmarks. Most of the stamps are of Canadian, so he is checking the postmarks. He suddenly had a brilliant idea. He went to his shelf and picked up the magnifying glass that his father had given him for his birthday. Now he picked out the magnifying glass to see that. Now I will be able to see the stamps, the addresses and the postmarks quite clearly. Now I can be able to find out the postmarks, he said to himself. He held up an envelope and looked through the magnifying glass. At that time he go through the envelope and through the magnifying glass. Toronto, he read. That must be a Canadian village or town. Toronto name is mentioned. It is Canadian village or town. He opened the envelope and found a letter in it. He opened the envelope and found there a letter. He took the letter out, and just as he was going to start reading it, he remembered that what his parents had once said to him. He opened the envelope and found a letter. He took the letter out, and just as he was going to start reading it, जब उसने स्टार्ट किया उसको पढ़ना, he remembered that what his parents had once said to him. He remembered that what his father has said, don't read others' pupils' letter. He put the letter aside. So he keep the letter aside. There were letters in some of the other envelopes too, but Ravi did not read those. Ravi also not read the private letters. He made a pile of letters on the floor. He decided that he should give them to Uncle Mike when he saw him again. He felt that he give back the letters. As Ravi was pulling out another letter, a few stamps fell onto the floor. When Ravi pulling some other letters, some stamps fallen on the floor. He picked them up and looked at them. Suddenly he leaped into the air shouting. Suddenly he is making the shout. The weeping princess! He looked carefully at the stamp in his hand and then looked at it again with the magnifying glass. He started shouting that it is a weeping princess stamp. Just then the door opened and Ravi's mother came quickly into the room. At that time, the door is open and Ravi's mother came into the room. Ravi, she said, are you all right? I heard you shouting. Look, mother, said Ravi, I think I have found the weeping princess. Now he is very happy. He said that I found the weeping princess. Ravi's mother examined the stamp and said, I think you may be right. Perhaps Uncle Mike will be able to tell you. So you find out the rare one. Ravi raced out of the room holding tightly onto the stamp. What's the matter? His father is asking. Asked Ravi's father. As Ravi came stumbling down the stairs, Ravi is very happy. Ravi did not stop but shouted as he went past, I have found the princess. He ran straight out of the front door and down the road. Ravi's father shouted after him. Now Ravi's father is also shouting after him, don't drop her, and went back to reading the Sunday paper. Don't go anywhere. Half an hour later, Ravi and Uncle Mike arrived at the house in the old Austin car. Ravi was so excited that he did not wait. He ran into the house and told his father, it is the weeping princess, Papa. At least Uncle Mike thinks it is. There is a tear on her cheek. He is very happy. Ravi's father laughed. Now just slow down, Ravi. If Uncle Mike thinks it is the weeping princess, I am sure he is right. He said that he found the rare one. When Uncle Mike came into the room, everyone was smiling at that time. Uncle Mike said, I have had this stamp for all these years and I never knew. And I have the stamp and I never knew that I have the stamp with me. Now that I have given the album to Ravi, it belongs to him always. I think that Ravi should keep the stamp and I hope he finds many more rare stamps. Ravi was overjoyed. He stood there with a big smile on his face. With one hand he held on to his mother's sari and in the other hand he held a white envelope. And at that time he is going to inside his mother's sari. It was the weeping princess. This was written by Nicholas Horsburgh. I hope you all have understood. So go through the chapter. It will be more clear to you. Okay, beta. If you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also, beta. Thank you.